We had wall here and we had wall here. Now by removing both of those, totally changes this whole space. Yo, you know what happens when it's wet outside and there's no outside work? Everyone comes to the indoor job. Luckily we've got one of those on the go right now. We're at the winery reno. We've got the two houses, one down the back, one here. One of my philosophies when approaching a reno like this is how do you alter the inside without touching the outside? The outside is still a really good structure. The roof is good, the walls are good, the windows are good. They were built really well. The boys have gutted this one. If you're enjoying this type of content and want to see this project through to fruition, go ahead, click subscribe, follow along. We've got two builders in the back, two builders in the front, we've got the kitchen guy here, we've got the Sparky here, it is all happening. What do you reckon, Ben?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward to replace this new shop.
Luckily we got all the landscaping done while the weather was good and it is looking amazing outside. Baseboards are done, concrete is down. It's just so cool to walk around and see, you know, two houses got dumped on site and now we actually can see how it's going to be two complete homes. We're getting a real feel for it.
Ryan wanted to know, do you want the vanity here? And the toilet here still?
Yep.
Because we don't really want the vanity to be next to the
No, you
opening,
have to
right?
climb out. Yep.
We can be open it this way.
Yep. Open it that way.
Yeah, and then this is a floor doorstop, like. Oh, that'd be weird. It'd be weird to have a floor mounted doorstop.
This one's coming along, we've locked in a bathroom layout, locked in a kitchen layout. Where we're standing right now is the kitchen. Give or take, it's going to stand in the same spot. So kitchen's going exactly where it is, but we've made a more efficient use of space. By knocking out this wall, we can wrap it round. It is so loud with the rain. We're going to have sink there, cooktop here. We're going to take this window out and chop it in half so that we can wrap an island bench around. We've got fridge and pantry there. Maybe just slightly wider than the door. Yeah, how's it going to work in this little corner here? This is like a weird little... Because the step's going to be like to here, right? But remember when we talked about we had wall here and we had wall here. Now by removing both of those, And that's not actually that much work with the engineer. We only really have to put a tiny timber beam in the roof, and then like totally changes this whole space. So we've gutted this space and we've pulled up all the flooring, we've pulled out all of the old insulation, we're going to replace the insulation, we're going to line it, we're going to plaster it, we're going to paint it, then we come in and we put in kitchen, hard floor, carpet, boom, it'll be a brand new house. You'll never know that it was an old house that has been recycled from around the corner. I think even walking around the outside, it feels like it was always here. Instead of feeling like it's a house that's been picked up and plonked on site, it just feels like it's a little bit of an older house that's getting a reno. That's how well the two houses are interacting with each other on site right now. If you can't tell, I'm pretty stoked with the work we're doing here. It's so cool to be on a reno. It's so cool that we're recycling a house. It's so cool that we're doing the total package, including the landscaping. I think there's a knack to using the old stuff, using the existing. So we're walking around,
Did I screw that up?
No, that's all right. Right, anyway, they're all working. They're probably getting annoyed with me filming on site. Let's go.